My son Limingcho Alfonso is not. There's Lizzie Poy, the retired man. This is the latest little groceries from La Plaza Baguio. Yes, Baguio. August 18, 2026. Got some toiletry shampoo. Got some Copio, dishwashing, toothpaste, some perfume, okay, body wash, some biscuit, okay, and I buy some clothes from there, Lucky Plaza, somewhere Lucky Plaza there, selling clothes, okay, this is like $27 and something. Grocery, bili si pay, okay, 50 plus, okay, yeah, less than 60, okay. And this one is, I pay one, of course. There's some blouse, there's house clothes, and going out to go church, dress, okay. Enjoy po, Katong Black for the World of Singapore, August 18, 2026. Enjoy Singapore, latest little groceries and buys, okay. Enjoy August 18, 2026. Enjoy Singapore.